Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use the AI text-based editing in Filmora. So basically the premise of this feature is that it's going to transcribe a video and it will generate text that are spoken from the video, and then that text will be available for editing. So if there is a word in the text that you want to remove, you can just remove it, like editing a text, and the clip where the person says that word will be removed as well. So this is very useful, especially if you are dealing with a very long video and you just want to make the process a lot faster and simpler, and this is probably one of the best ways to do so. Now I'm going to demonstrate the process by inserting this video from Charlie. So I think he's a great example because his video usually doesn't involve a lot of cuts, and I'm going to show you how the AI text-based editing is going to affect this video. Now I'm going to insert this clip into the timeline. I'm going to play it back, and later I'm going to edit this video.
I've been doing a deep dive on it today. It is crazy, the scope of this and just how far along this.
Okay, I'm going to stop right there. So basically it's just him talking in front of the camera, and we're going to enable text-based editing here. Now, make sure you're using the latest version. And secondly, the feature is available right here. If you open this menu, it should display this list of menu, but sometimes the menu might be somewhere in here. But in case you don't see that, then you can open this menu and you can click AI text-based editing. Okay, now you want to select the language. The language in this video is of course English US, and let's click generate. This is an AI feature, but fortunately it doesn't consume your AI credit, so I guess that is something that you can use without worry about paying the credits to Filmora. Now the conversion is actually not very slow, but also not very fast. Alright, now we got this video, and as you can see, this is the transcript of the video. So let's say I want to try to remove a section. Let's try something like I'm going to remove the word, maybe let's say this one. I want to remove this section, but before that let's play the video first so we can compare it later.
I've been doing a deep dive on it today. It is crazy.
So let's remove this section. I'm going to select that, and again, I'm going to just use my keyboard. I'm going to press the backspace, which is to delete words using a keyboard key, and just like that. And if you play the video again, you'll see that that section is missing.
It is crazy.
Yeah, that's the section is missing. I can also edit something in the middle of the video. If I select this section, I could do that as well. I could remove that. And if I play the video, this is the result. There's going to be a cut. There's going to be a cut, which is usually not his typical video, but with this editing process, you can see the cut easily.
Frying pan yesterday occurred because of DeepSeek. It is occurred because of Deep.
Yep, something like that. So basically, when you are done, you can click export to timeline. Let's do that. And there you go. Now there's going to be this extra caption, which is not really necessary, so I'm going to remove it. And this is the result.
It is crazy, the scope of this and just how far along this technology is. Yesterday occurred because of DeepSeek.
Yep, something like that. So there is a cut basically in the middle of this clip. But yeah, it's going to be useful, especially for editing a long video where it's mostly just person talking. Yeah, that's how you can use the AI text-based editing in Filmora. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Take care.